Welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. Hello students, I am Satish Kumar Sinha. Today I am going to discuss the topic basic or fundamental units and derived units. In last class we have discussed about what are the fundamental physical quantity and derived physical quantity. So fundamental units or basic units. The unit of fundamental physical quantities are known as fundamental units. And there are 7 fundamental physical quantities. So there are 7 fundamental or basic units. So what are the 7 fundamental units? That is meter, kilogram, second, ampere, Kelvin, candela and mole. Now the other units, that is derived units. What is the difference between these fundamental units and derived units? Fundamental units are those units which is independent of any other units, whereas derived units are those units which can be expressed in terms of fundamental units or basic units. So derived units are those units which can be expressed in terms of basic or fundamental units. Now, what are the examples of derived units? Suppose we have to write the unit of area. So first you write the formula. The formula of area is length into breadth. And we know that length is measured in meter, breadth is also measured in meter. So meter into meter, that is meter square. Now volume, the formula of volume is length into breadth into height. So here length is measured in meter, breadth is also measured in meter, height is meter. So unit of volume is meter cube. Another example, density. First you write the formula. Formula of density is mass per volume. So in basic units, all of you know mass is measured in kg and volume meter cube. So what is the unit of density? kg meter 3 or kg per meter cube. Pressure. So first you write the formula of pressure, force per unit area. Pressure is defined as force per unit area. So SI unit of force is, that is Newton, and area, the Newton per meter square. Similarly, you can also find out speed or velocity. So formula of speed and velocity is speed that is distance by time, velocity displacement by time. And distance is measured in meter and time is measured in seconds, so meter per second is the unit of speed or velocity. So what you observe in these different units, area, volume, density, pressure and speed or velocity, units of this physical quantity can be expressed in terms of 7 fundamental units. As for example, that is meter, length is measured in meter, mass is measured in kilogram and time is measured in second. You can also find out the derived units of other derived physical quantities. Suppose acceleration. First you write the formula, acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time. And you know that SI unit of velocity, that is velocity is meter per second, time second, so here you write meter per second square. Momentum. Momentum, formula of momentum is product of mass and velocity. Mass is measured in kg and velocity kg meter per second. So these are the derived units. Now there are different system of units. System of units. First one is CGS system, that is also known as French system. C stands for the centimeter, G stands for gram, S stands for second. So in CGS system or French system, length is measured in centimeter, and mass is measured in kilogram, and time is measured in second. The second one is FPS system. It is also known as, that is British system. In British system, RFI system, the length is measured in foot and mass is measured in pound and time is measured in second. And third one is MKS system. It is known as metric system. In MK system, mass is measured in, that is kilogram, length is measured in meter and time is measured in second. And another system, that is all of you know, ASI system, that is International System of Units. In 1960, Measure and Weight Department that accept the MKS system, ASI system. So in physics we have to study the ASI system of different physical quantities. Thank you.